What's up everyone, this is Masa Shibata from Bangkok, Thailand. How are you guys doing? Today I will be making Japanese style curry. I've laid out all the ingredients and the stuff that I'll be using on the kitchen table, so let's get cooking. Here are all the stuff that I'll be using: potatoes, carrot, onion, apples, ginger, and bay leaves. And that is an extra potato. Okay. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. I'll be using a little bit of red wine too. So, now let's start cooking. When you're cooking, it's always good to have everything prepared beforehand, before you start everything. I'm gonna start by cutting up the onions, which I will be simmering for a long time on low heat until they become golden and soft. That is onion number 1. My eyes. I need to cover up my eyes for this. I cannot do this. I'm so bad at onions. Cha-ching! Oh yeah, now that is how I cut my onions. Just gonna simmer it on really low heat. I'll add in the oil later. It looks like that right now. I want to go slowly with this one, and my pan is moving. Look at that. Magical pan. It's my magical hand power that lets the pan move. Oh my god, I need a better pan. Okay. I forgot to tell you that I'll be using pork for today's curry because I have some leftover pork. So I'll cut them up, season them with salt and pepper, and in it goes. Potato time. Oops, I got a potato on my foot. Potato skin peel on my foot. Now this really hurts my back. Now for the carrots. Since my back hurts when I'm like slouching and doing it by the garbage can, just decide to peel them here and throw all of that in the garbage can later on. And while I am cutting up peeling the carrot, this guy is starting to simmer. So I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit and mix it around. Cut up some big pieces into a little bit of smaller pieces because it's gonna take time to boil. Now for the meat. I'm gonna put these in the frying pan now. Or should I wait? I'm not really sure. I don't know. Maybe I'll wait a little bit until the my onions get a little bit more brown. Okay, so the onions are becoming golden brown, more browner than before. So I just scooted them over, and I'm gonna put the pork in. Bam. So let's see if I can do that while holding this camera. All right, here we go. Oh, and oh, no way. Okay, that is impossible. Oh, here we go. Alright. Okay, so I've mixed up the pork with the onions. Needs a little bit more pan frying to go. But I will be putting in water sooner or later. and stew it. And add these guys in. Okay, now I am going to add the water in. And then next I will add them, which I will do right now. Right now it's starting to look something like curry. Okay. So I added the water, it's cooking, and I will add some bay leaf to add that scent. Ooh, yeah, oh yeah. Let's go with 1 bay leaf. I think 1 will be good. Should I add 2? Let's go for 2. After this, I will be adding all the spices, or like, well, not spices, but the additional flavors like the apple, ginger, and garlic. Okay, now I'm going to grate some ginger and garlic. So some garlic. Wait, that was ginger. Okay, I think I've said garlic. It's ginger, and this is garlic. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, and I must not forget the curry roux. Is that how you call it? Curry roux? Well, the stock for curry. I don't know, the curry paste. I don't know what you call it. So this is going to be a Japanese style curry. So I'm going to use this guy today. S&B Golden Curry. Spicy. That says spicy. There's like a 1 to 5 rating for the spiciness, and I chose the spiciest. So I'm not really sure how much I should use, but it says for 1 box use 7 cups of water. Okay, I'm just going to eyeball everything. Oh, I see. So I think I'll be using half. I'm not sure. Let's go slowly and see what it will be like. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm just gonna push that and break it into 4. Okay. There it is. I added 2 of these. Half of the half in the curry, and then now it looks like this. It's pretty nice, I think. I'll check the taste later. Anyways, what I know that I have to add in now is half an apple. Actually, as I carefully read the instructions, you're supposed to use half of the box, which is all of this, for 750 milliliters of water, and I definitely used about 750 milliliters of water, so I put all of them in, and it is right now looking beautiful. Oh man, I cannot wait to have this. Okay, so I'm doing my final adjustments to my curry. It is looking perfectly nice. And one more thing I am going to add is a little bit of red wine. Just a little bit. That makes the aroma much more better in the curry. Can't wait to have it. It's almost done. So I got some nice rice on here, and the curry will go on here. Is this beautiful or what? Okay, so here we have the perfect Japanese style curry. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, look at this. Okay, gotta eat this. Oh my god, all of that spice and everything that I put into this, beautifully delicious. It was a good choice to put in 2 bay leaves, and definitely that amount of ginger and garlic is doing a perfect job, and that little bit of wine adds a little tiny bit of acidity to it, along with the apple too. You always want to mix in those kinds of ingredients when you make Japanese curry. And some people, to get more flavor out of the curry, sometimes people put it in chocolate or like something like honey. They all work out well too. Yeah, so that's it for today. I will dig into this and see you in the next video. I hope you like my curry video, of course, because you can't really taste it. There are 100 million ways to make curry. It really depends on this Japanese curry really differs by home, and you know, there's always your household way to make this. And what I made today was basically the Shibata family style that I got from my mom, who makes really delicious Japanese curry, and I think she makes it better than me. But anyways, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Bye bye!